Welcome back, everyone, to Weems Auto. For some reason, the audio failed when I was recording this, so I'm going to do a voiceover for this video. In today's video, I'm going to be working on the 2003 Ford F-150. Now, this is a simple and cheap fix that could save you from a ticket and lots more in fines that could cost to repair. So let's get into it and see what I'm talking about. Here on the rear bumper, one of the license plate lights is out. And when it burned out, it even melted and cracked the housing that shines the light onto the license plate. As I mentioned earlier, a light like this can get you a costly ticket. So let's go ahead and replace that housing as well as the bulb. To remove the housing, you simply insert a flathead screwdriver and pry it off. Since our housing was damaged, it splits in half, as you can see here. So let's try again and get the rest of the housing removed from the bumper. There we go. Here are the parts we're going to use in this fix. For the light bulb, I'm replacing it with a Sylvania 194. And for the housing, I'm using the Dorman 68169 license plate lens. To replace the housing, you line up the two clips with the cutouts in the bumper and press it in until the clips snap and the housing is flush with the bumper. The lens should be facing towards the license plate. Next, we'll get under the truck and replace that bulb. Here we are under the truck. Now, this part of the video was done afterwards, as I realized that I never actually recorded this part. Before I removed the housing, I should have removed the bulb connectors from the housing. Luckily, I didn't damage the connector and or the wiring. To remove the connector, give it a little bit of a turn counterclockwise, and it'll come right out. Then you can pull out the old bulb and insert the new one. Put the connector back in the housing, lining up the four bump outs with the cutouts in the housing. Give it a little twist clockwise, and you're all set. With the bulb and housing replaced, our license plate is fully lit, and we're safe from getting pulled over and fined. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it helped you out. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Please like and comment below.